All right, today is Wednesday. We're starting with our rhyme recognition. Which word rhymes with jacket? Bracket or jump? I hope you said bracket. Jacket, bracket. Which word rhymes with dollar? Collar, danger. I hope you said collar. Collar, dollar, rhyme. Which word rhymes with many? Mostly or penny? Many, penny, and the same. Okay, we're going to the beginning sounds. Remember, I say two words, you tell me the sound. Public, parent. I hope you said puh. They both begin with the puh sound. Yes, younger. Yeah. Respect, river. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our syllables. Famous, famous. Good. Planet, planet. Nonfiction. Nonfiction. Miss Depkin would like that one. Lemon, lemon. Important. Important. Very good. Okay, final sounds. Punch those sounds for me. Midnight. Midnight. Punch it at the end. Kindness. Again, we have kindness for Kindness Week. Kindness. Equal. Equal. Myself. Myself. Punch that last sound. Okay, get your choppers out. Children. Children. Uniform. Uniform. Separate. Separate. Gardener. Gardener. Good. Okay, we're going to add parts of our word. We start with the part vent, add in at the beginning to make invent. Good job. We have the part zen, put fro at the beginning. Frozen, frozen. We have the part pack, put un at the beginning. Unpack, unpack. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take part of our syllables away. We have fever without ver. What's left? Fee. We have rubber without What's left? Rub. We have wagon without wag. What's left? On. We have monkey without mun. What's left? Key. We have mustard without erd. What's left? Must. Good job. Almost done. Okay, now I'm taking part away and changing it. Okay, so today we have recite. I'm taking away re and adding x. Excite. Excite. We have spoonful. I'm taking away spoon and adding bash. Bashful. Bashful. Good. We have shoulder. I'm taking away shoal and adding bowl. Boulder. Boulder. Okay, last one. We have exit. I'm taking away x and adding viz. Visit. Visit. Good. Okay, counting your words in your sentence. I have a water bottle. I have a water bottle. I hope you got 5. And I know you do have a water bottle. Do you like to read magazines? Okay, I hope that was enough time to count. Do you like to read magazines? 6. Okay, last one. Sunflowers are pretty and yellow. Sunflowers are pretty and yellow. 5. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Good job.